Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about uh, how to fix uh, how to fix Instagram notifications delay problem. So the answer is easy. Just go to the settings and scroll down to the apps section, and now go to the search and search on Instagram. Next, go to the storage, and here as you see you will find this clear cache option. Click on it. Now you can go check it if it worked. If it didn't, you can try to restart your phone, and if it didn't work again, you can try to clear data. But be careful. When you clear data, all your all your Instagram's data will be deleted. This includes all files, uh, settings, accounts, databases, etc. So be careful. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.